What makes a web browser secure? Look for these features. Most browsers claim to care about your security, but that doesn't mean they do, especially out of the box. Here are some features to find and enable. Web browsers are our window to the World Wide Web, but much like every window, a browser is a two-way street. Why do you need a secure browser? We know that browsers help us connect to the internet, but browsers have advanced over the years. Now they try to make our lives easier by storing passwords, credit card information, and addresses so that we don't have to remember them. But malicious entities can get their hands on this information if the browser we use is not secure enough. What makes a browser secure? Now that you know about the problems that come with an unsecured browser, here are some browser features that can make them more secure. Sandboxing. Just like a child's sandbox prevents sand from spilling, a browser sandbox prevents malicious code running in the browser from affecting your system. Pop-up blocking. If you are on a secure website and a pop-up shows on the screen, you might assume the pop-up is also secure. This is far from the truth, as clicking on pop-ups can redirect users to malicious sites that can harm your system. Therefore, it's important to have a browser that disables pop-ups and prevents your system from getting infected. Crypto miner blocking. Mining cryptocurrencies takes up a lot of computational power and energy. Therefore, malicious actors create scripts to use someone else's computer to mine crypto, using up their system's resources. You want a browser that prevents malicious crypto mining code from running on your system. Blocking tracking cookies. Scripts. Many websites you visit on the internet make revenue by showing advertisements. To make these advertisements more enticing, big advertisement companies track you on the internet using tracking scripts, cookies, and browser fingerprinting. This tracking enables ad tech companies to send targeted advertisements your way. Tracking protection can limit their ability to do so. Secure plugins. No longer is the functionality of a browser constrained by the functions it comes with. Thanks to plugins, the functionality of a browser can be enhanced. Enabling HTTPS everywhere. Browsers use the Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP) to connect to a website. When released, this protocol did not have any encryption, enabling malicious entities to look at the data between a client and a website. HTTPS changed everything by adding a layer of encryption to the protocol, but not every website on the internet supports HTTPS and use older protocols. Blocking JavaScript. We no longer live in a world where the internet is static. Many websites we visit have videos running, pop-up ads, or other interactive elements. Although this makes the web interactive, it also allows hackers to run malicious code on your browser while you visit a website. DNS over HTTPS, the domain name system (DNS) that translates the URL you type into an actual website, by default, uses plain text. Due to this, an attacker or your Internet Service Provider (ISP) can look at all the websites you visit using the DNS traffic. Is your browser secure enough? Be it Safari, Google Chrome, Opera, Edge, or Firefox, no browser is inherently secure. Security has as much to do with the person using the browser as it does with the browser itself. Plus, any browser in its default settings is not secure, as it is designed to offer a good user experience. On the contrary, browsers like Firefox, Tor, Safari, and Brave are built with user privacy in mind, and tweaking the settings on these can make them more secure, protecting you on the internet. Which browser should you use?